Are you caught in the I'm supposed to? I talk with a lot of business owners and I find that this is exactly where they're at. They're stuck in this supposed to place, right? If they have their own business and the business is growing, it's I'm supposed to step out of what I'm really great at, what I love to do, and run my business and go and do sales. But if that's not what you're passionate about and what you actually really love to do is to be hands-on with your clients, if you're that photographer that loves to be behind the camera and the supposed to is you can't be behind the camera, you need to go hire photographers and you need to just do business development, and now you're no longer fulfilled because you're not able to do what you love to do. So how about if you put down the supposed to and follow the things that are giving you the energy, the things that you love to do, and then write in those empty spaces somebody else, right? Maybe for that photographer, it's not about putting down the camera and doing business development. Maybe it's hiring a business development person. Right? There's a million different ways to set things up, and you don't have to follow anybody else's formula. You need to find your own formula. You need to find what works for you and what fulfills you, because you spend a lot of time in your business. Your business is not you. Your business doesn't define you. Your livelihood depends on your business. Your business is your tool to create the lifestyle that you want to live. And you should be fulfilled while you're in that business doing what you love to do.